Assalamu alaikum and welcome all. I hope that you will be happy and enjoying a healthy life. In today's video, we will see that how we can get rid of unwanted weeds in our garden. They don't only grow in garden beds, but they create problem in pots also because they fetch nutrition from the soil, which is important for our plants' growth. So we need to discourage their growth. Now let's understand first that why do they grow? Actually, they grow from the seeds which come in our garden through air or birds, or even sometimes seeds are present in our compost. And then after getting moist soil and good sunlight, they sprout and start spreading in our garden. Now question is how to get rid of this problem. I will tell you some easy ways to get rid of these weeds or at least to minimize them. First one is to keep plowing your garden bed or your pot to get rid of them and keep removing them. And if you don't have time to do this regularly, then the other solution is that you should not leave the soil idle. The space should not be idle. You should just sow some seeds, some leafy vegetables in it, and this can minimize the growth of weeds here because those leafy vegetables will cover this space, this soil surface, and because of getting no sunlight, these weeds will not grow here. This discourages the weed growth. I'm also planning to grow some leafy vegetables here, and I will cover this surface around my plant to minimize the weed growth. But right now my seedlings are getting ready for those vegetables. So meanwhile, I will tell you the third solution when your saplings are not ready and you are not planning to plant something here. You can avoid weed growth by mulching. Mulching can be done with any material, but I would always prefer biodegradable material which will turn into compost with time. It will decompose, and secondly it will provide nutrition to the plant also, and this will minimize the weed growth. Now see, here I'm using eggshells, dried and crushed eggshells. These are cleaned, dried and crushed. This is a fertilizer also for your plants, and by the time we will be ready to plant something here, this will uh, act as a fertilizer and decomposed with time. But you can use other options also. It's absolutely upon you that what is the available resource. For example, you can use dried leaves also, you can use banana peels. Even if you don't have this kind of organic matter or the matter which can be decomposed, you can use some green net to cover this area, or you can use cocoa fiber to cover this surface. This all will help, this all will discourage weed growth. Here I will show you in the pot. See, this is the pot where I have repotted my mogra plant recently, and because I have used fresh compost here, so probably in compost these seeds have come, and see these weeds are developing now here. Now weeds are growing here. Now I have planted some funnel leaves with that. These are called zatar leaves or funnel leaves, and these are used in making tea. Very good for digestive system, very good for digestion. And now these funnel leaves will cover this surface. When they will grow, they will cover the surface and act as a mulch. So this was the second option which I told you, to grow some. You can grow ornamental leaves here also, and edible leaves also, which will cover the surface quickly. And meanwhile I will keep on removing the weeds and keep on plowing it, and in few weeks these will spread all over, and then I don't have to do this plowing and digging and all this work. In pots also you can use all three methods: by growing some other plant, by mulching, or by plowing. So these were the three methods to avoid weed growth, or at least to minimize it. by, one is mulching, one is plowing, regular plowing, and the third one is growing some edible or ornamental leaves on the surface of that area. That's all for today. I hope it would be useful for you. See you next time in another video. Till then, stay blessed, take care, and Allah Hafiz.